question to you is, why is it that your characters take so many years to realize that they're in love? Why does that happen? Why so long?
They're just taking their time, pun intended, and they just want to make sure that they're with the right people and they don't make mistakes, and then it's love forever. So that's why.
What's your journey been like
in love?
In the world of films? In love?
Okay.
You can share if you want. You can talk about your,
Wife.
how you met your wife and.
Really? It's a long story.
I'd actually like to know about your journey in filmmaking.
Well, my journey in filmmaking has been pretty long. It started off with me being a reporter. As everyone knows, I used to host a show. That was, a different life ago. And then one fine day I met Adi Chopra. And, he said, do you have a script? And I did. And the rest of this is history. And I was really honored and flattered that I could work with Yash Ji. And I learned a lot from him. Yeah.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Straightforward and
we've shortlisted it down to just a little bit.
Three of you stand here. Rapid fire. Okay. Tarun, तुमसे पहला question है.
Yes, sir.
If you were to remake Dostana with me in the lead,
you wrote this question, wasn't me?
Okay, I did this, yeah, okay. Which actor will you cast me opposite?
Sir, Puneet has been wanting to show his abs to us. I think Puneet should come.
कोई एक्टर का बताया यार, तुम अभी ये सवाल पूछा है इन्होंने. If you were to make Dostana with me in the lead, and the story happens to be similar to the Dostana that you did, which actor will you cast me opposite?
Sir, I would replace my third actor with you and make Abhishek and John be chasing you.
Well done, fantastic. I think it will work fantastic. सही जवाब. तुम्हें मिलते हैं 3 करोड़ रुपए. Okay. React in one word to the following. It's for him only? Or to the other director? I can choose. Okay. So we'll come back to your second question. Let me go to Puneet first. If you were granted one superpower, Puneet, what would it be? One superpower, if you were granted, what would it be? Apart from box office success and stuff like that.
No, I'd definitely like to be invisible, to get into a lot of bedrooms.
Can I be mean to you right now?
No, so please don't.
Please let me be.
Okay, please.
Because if you're funny about things, then things get all buried and all.
Okay.
After going to the pyar, you should be invisible. You can crack a joke back after.
No. That I can't manage to do.
No, go for it. Okay. But I like the bedroom part better. Bathroom also, sir. If you're going to spend your time in bedrooms and bathrooms, script कर लिखेगा तू अगली वाली.
मतलब सर इस बार मैं नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, अभी किसी से लिखाऊंगा.
Good decision. Okay, Kunal se, if you were to write your autobiography, what would be the title? First, हम इसकी autobiography पढ़ेंगे क्यों? That's besides the point. But if you were to write, we honoring you guys know this now.
Yes.
Okay. If you were to write your autobiography, what would the title be? Okay, I want to clarify. I knew the three of them actually, including Kunal, And I've known them since they were children. Not Kunal is older than me, but the other two. Honest to God, I'm telling you, ये लिखता था वो क्या सिनेमा चलो सिनेमा सॉरी वो क्लियर भी कर रहा है सिनेमा चलो नहीं चलो सिनेमा perfectionist I wonder why but these two are my little babies from the time they started. I've known them for what 15 years now 16 years and they were little children when they started, so I can mess around with him just because of his reputation. I can mess around with him. Okay, so if you were to write your autobiography, what would be the title?
Fana, destroyed in love, destroyed in cinema, destroyed
By Shah Rukh Khan.
destroyed by Shah Rukh Khan.
No.
But I have to say one thing.
Don't say that. He's never cast me. He's been casting other heroes, so he's destroyed other heroes. Please excuse me.
How long have
Get me out of this, dude.
how long have I been asking you for some time to make you hear a script? आपने दिया है क्या time?
Guys, we have 3 hours. We can all sit down and listen to this script right now, right here.
चलो सुन लेते हैं. Perhaps
घड़ी में वक्त रखेंगे, लेकिन इसमें क्या है 12 घंटे से ज्यादा है नहीं दोस्त.
ऐसे 2.5 घंटे लगाऊंगा आपको स्क्रिप्ट सुनाने में. Okay, but honestly, can I just say something?
Please.
Can I tell you of the first time we met? Do you remember that? When it was years ago when you had come to my house once.
Yeah, in
No. And you were coming to. I mean, you were living in Bandra, and you were going to meet GP Sippy Saab in his house, and my cousin Reema was a friend of Gauri's and yours.
I thought I was drunk and I took the wrong turn.
No. It was really amazing. Shah Rukh was a TV actor at that time, and you were being cast by GP Sippy. And I had just spent a year in the US, and I'd come back. Sorry for taking some time, but it's a very sweet story. So I didn't know, I had not been through the Fauji phase, and I had not known what a big star you were with Fauji. So I was just asking him, like, so what are you doing? And he said, I'm doing a film with GP Sippy. And I said, really? With GP Sippy? He said, yeah, I just did a TV series, Fauji. And I tell you something, I'm going to be the biggest star this country's ever seen. And I just looked at him and said, I think he's right. He is going to be. I don't know why I felt that, but his conviction was so strong at that point in time that he is going to be the biggest star in the country. And
See, I haven't changed. I'm still as humble. मेरी humility की ऐसी बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं. Okay, the next question. Back to Tarun now.